Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn ON demo mode on your Android or Samsung phone, step by step. Alright, let's get started. First, open your settings. Scroll all the way down and tap About Phone. Then, go to Software Information. Here, find build number and tap it 7 times. For me, developer mode is already enabled, but if it's not enabled on your phone, it will ask you to enter your password or PIN. Just type it in and tap OK. Now developer mode is active. Go back to the main settings menu. Scroll down until you see a new option called Developer Options. Tap on it and scroll until you find Demo Mode. If your phone supports it, simply toggle it on. Some phones may not have this feature depending on the model and software version. That's it for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks.